Bounty on my head, line up, take a number. Cupcake, heroin, a murder in the summer. Is my life worth losing yours? Superman, nigga, Kenny's blood.
It's your boy Cam City, man, straight out of Frisco, San Francisco. From Lakeview, 200 block Randolph, you feel me? Everybody know me as Cam City. Everybody in the hood know me as Cam City. You know what I mean?
You ran and told Tefty, go give me in a date.
You know, I've been doing this rap thing for a while now. I've been off and on with it, you know what I mean? I just keep taking my breaks, but you know what I mean? I'm back hard with it. You know, I started off, I think, back in 05, fucking with it with the Hood Is Me album. Hood Is Me took off, you know. I named everybody in the sets. Everybody in the hood, you know, already know, you feel me? So everybody in the city had to respect it. They love the nigga for it. You know, this boy ended up catching the case, you know, hustling at the same time, trying to make it, you know what I mean? The nigga full-time daddy at the same time. You know, nigga went to the feds, you know, came back home, you know what I'm saying? I'm back home right now, I'm strong, I'm trying to get it back in, you know what I mean? And that's where I'm at with it right now. My inspiration, I want to say, it's I guess the talent that's out there right now. I feel like I don't want to like toot my own horn, but I feel like I'm a lot better than a lot of people that's out there right now. That's on. I mean, and that's just calling it what it is. My kids at the same time, you know what I'm saying? And then even the haters is motivators, you know what I'm saying? Niggas that say, you know, you can't do it or you won't do it or, you know what I'm saying? Shit like that, you know? And that just motivate a nigga to just want to keep pushing, you know what I mean? And do better.
Call it the Alamo, Mexican standoff.
You feel me? My cousin being cool nut, rest in peace, you know what I mean? He used to always come to a nigga and be like, man, you ready? You ready? And I used to be like, yeah, I'm ready. I'm like, you know, 10, 11. And I'll be like, man, I get the bussin'. Fucking nigga, boom, boom. Nigga, I shoot a nigga in his head. Yeah, punch a nigga in his chest. Bam! Nigga, you ain't about that, nigga. You ain't talking. You don't know nothing about that. You only 10, 11 years old. You know what I'm saying? Talk something you know. You know what I'm saying? At first, I couldn't understand what he was talking about. Like, what are you talking about? Like, this is what everybody talking about. And then later on, it settled in, you know what I'm saying? So he was like, you know what I mean? Like, keep it 100. So I'm like, alright. So the next time I came and see him, you know, I started talking about catching the bus. So I'm on the 29, getting at all the girls to bring them to my house. You know, we turning them out, left and right. And then he like, alright, that's what's up. You know what I'm saying? That's what you about right now. You know what I'm saying? Talk what you know. Ever since then, you know what I'm saying, when he gave me his approval, that's when I'm like, I'm ready.
You want the killer squad, then look no further.